Before we can begin learning how to program in C#, we need to download and install the compiler that we're going to use. It's called the Visual C# Express Compiler. I'm going to show you how to download it in this lesson. So open your web browser, go to msdn.microsoft.com. Then when you get there, up at the top, click Downloads. Then scroll down till you see Free Visual Studio Express. Click that. Then scroll down again till you see Visual C# 2010 Express. Click the icon, click Install Now, then begin the process. So you'll save this file, then click. You should see that progress bar. Then it's going to install some files. Then you get a little setup window like so. While it's doing this, let me mention that you will need to register this product, so you're going to have to set up a Microsoft Passport account. They do not spam you at all. I've had a Microsoft Passport account for many years and I don't get any emails from them, hardly ever. It's pretty safe to set one up, but you will have to register the product either at the beginning of the first time you try to run the program, or at the end of the installation, or after a few days of using the product. You can either choose to send information about your setup to Microsoft or not. I'm just going to leave it checked. Click Next. After you've read the license terms, click I've read and accept, then click Next. The default folder is fine and probably where you should install, so unless you have some reason to change it, accept that and click Install. Now we begin the download process. Now we begin the install. Then the next lesson, there will be an overview of how to use Visual C# Express. So now it's finished, so we'll click Exit. Close this window. We do want to see that we have it installed, so click your Start button. Click All Programs. Scroll down and look for Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express. Click that and you should see it there in a list of programs. If you want to click it just to open it to make sure that it opens, that's fine too. You should see the splash screen and that'll let us know that it's installed correctly. There's the start page. So we've installed Visual C# Express correctly, and in the next lesson I'm going to show you how to use it, or at least give you an overview of the different features of Visual Studio Express.